Alright guys, we are back with the 6 liter. So got the Amazon engine cradle things. One of the things we're going to do today is take this trans off. I'm supposed to go get a 2-wheel drive one, I think Friday. It's Wednesday right now. But anyways, get this wiring out of here, get all these unnecessary lines, take this fan off. But yeah, so let's start with taking the trans off for right now. Alright guys, so we were finally able to get the trans off. I had to do a lot of prying and everything, but come over here, I chipped the bell housing, so that'll knock off some resale value. But let me know if I need all this or if I need to get a new one, if I'm getting a floor shifter thing, because I'm not sure about that. But anyways, so next thing we're going to do, I think, is take off this AC compressor, because who needs AC in a race truck? So let's take that off. Alright, so we were able to get that AC compressor off. It's right there. Probably try to sell that. But next thing I want to do is get all these unnecessary hoses out of here. Let me... Where's it at? This little box thing here. What is that, if anyone knows? But yeah, so I think the lines are power steering, whatever that box was, some sort of fluid popping out of it. It's radiator hose, get the fuel lines off, all that. So let's cut to that. Okay, so I just found this out, but apparently that intake was not connected the entire time, so that's all off. Already looking less cluttered. Almost chipped there on the jack. I guess we'll take the front accessory mount off now and get all that stuff off. Alright, so my back started killing me, so I stopped recording, took a little break, but got the water pump off. So we are down to just an engine basically. So I think next video, I think we'll start tearing it down, because I think I'm going to get a gasket kit for it, clean it up and everything. Still got to decide, but that's probably what I'll be doing. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.